it's the Riklis and we are on a train. But we're still on a trip. We're still on a trip, but there's the mountains if you wanted to see it. The last video was night, but now it's day. What if you guys see the last video? Go and look at that video.
Just with the snow dust today.
John said we're going up Pikes Peak.
What?
We're going up Pikes Peak.
Oh, also we're going on Pikes Peak. Wait, I thought I just saw an animal went by.
14,115 feet in the air.
How about you say it?
We're going up 14,115 feet.
Yep, that's right. Also, I did see a cannibal go by once, and he saw them twice.
But really, it was water back then.
We see if we can catch him on camera. Yep. Also, I thought I saw an animal, but it was actually one of these. We need to catch him on camera.
Here, Junior, some black bears.
I saw him twice.
Why don't you pause it?
Hey guys, we're back. Well, we're almost at the top.
Scott?
We're almost at the top.
Oh, yeah.
We are very high up.
God, that's just a beautiful lake.
There has its hood on because it's going to get cold. Because at the top there's going to be snow. We don't know. It might be cold because we're close to space. Yep.
Furthest in the clouds.
Yeah.
Look at that. Elijah.
Got a road down there. That may be one of the.
Yep, we're almost to the clouds.
Looks like rain.
Right now, you're going to have a really beautiful view of Lake Moraine. Again, I can't get a good photo. Ask someone on the other side of the hideout. I'll try to, but there's 214 of you guys and only one of me.
That's the good main right there. There's a bunch of rocks down there.
Oh, it's beautiful. Can you get it, Scott? Oh, God, this is beautiful.
We're getting high in the clouds. You see nothing.
Scott, did you get this? Yeah. Golly.
I'll just sit in your seat.
Looks like it's got dogs back in there.
Yeah. Well, we're very, very high up. I'm kind of scared.
So's your dad.
Andy?
I'm
Sweatshirt on. Oh, that's beautiful.
I'm not scared. What? Oh, over there we're kind
Big valley in the middle of the.
of... You're getting on the mountain! Mama, you're going to the clouds!
We are.
We're about to go in the clouds. We're going to skip a bit, and then I will be back soon. Hey guys, do you see that animal? Do you see that animal going by?
Looks like it's at an angle.
Another
We're actually the ones
beaver.
at an angle. This is
It's not a beaver, but just wanted to unpause it for you guys to see. But
There's another one.
Yep, there's another one right there.
There's lots of them.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. I just wanted to show you it. So I'm going to see you soon now. Hey guys, we're back and
Yes, we are doing a safety check.
yep, also by the way, the white over there, it's snow. It's snow. Snow is over there.
It's coming up the path.
Hey,
Mama, look at the snow.
is there a door to check out this video? Also, when we're making the video.
And if you want to while we're stopped.
Well,
Did you see him, Alice?
Oh wait, there's a merman over there. Yep, it's on the tracks. You can't see it.
Did you see him?
Can you see it?
it's gonna get ran over by a train.
Yeah, you could see it right there. It looks like a rock to you, but it's a merman. It's right there on the tracks. Hey, I just see some. Also, I see something bright over there, and that's more snow over there.
He's on the tracks.
Wait, is that a baby one?
Oh yeah, it's a baby.
So you could see that one on the track again. There is. Oh, there.
Could get better
There you are.
Oh, look at him.
There you are.
He's running.
Hi.
Oh, he went under there.
No.
Oh, he's putting on a show for us.
He's in
He put on
shelter.
a show. Look at him. He's peeping up. He's peeping.
At least you got to see him in a good view.
Looks like beavers. Just like a beaver. There he is right there.
There he is. His head.
Wave at him. Can you
Look.
look at the marble?
You could see him again.
Oh,
He's looking right at Ellis and Alton and Ada.
Hi.
Now he's looking at Ada. That's funny. That's funny. He's looking right at you, Ellis. He's looking right at Ellis.
Cam said hi, Justin Bieber.
He's putting on quite a show for us.
He's got a raccoon tail.
Look at that marmot.
At least you got to see it in a good view.
Marmot. Marmot.
This is going to be a long video, so you don't have to watch all of it if you don't want
What's
to.
the marmot doing? I don't know. He's right there. We are above the clouds. He's coming back this way.
Yep, also we're above the clouds. You still could see something. We're kind of like above the clouds.
He was looking at us.
Look at the
He
clouds.
was looking at us, wasn't he? Yeah.
Trying to touch it.
And we were looking at him.
We're trying to touch the
Marmot
clouds.
looked at us and we looked at him.
I almost dropped the camera. Yeah, I think we should end the video here. Yeah, we're going to end the video here. Bye.
Gotta wish I had drank that bottle.